Hi everybody, Annelie van Wyk speaking, granny of 2, cancer survivor and a senior citizen. Now I'm having fun and games today. Now you tell me, or we decide together, Power Lead System 2018. Is it a scam or isn't it a scam? What do you think? Would a company that is planning to scam you give you a lot of info just to take your money, but also doing all this work, or not? Or would they be more clever and try and trick you? Put all these beautiful capture pages, sales pages, marketing tools at your fingertips and just make it finger licking good. And then there's nothing after they've taken your money. Is Power Lead System one of those? Let's look and see. Let's go into the back office and see what's happening there. Okay, cool beans. Our page has changed. Here's our back office. Now in our back office, we've got our easy button, easy to start button. And the idea of all this is to get all these. What am I doing in the middle of the picture? Sorry, let me just get myself out of the picture. Not that important. Just doing the speaking, the talking, the advertising. Anyway, here we get the green button, which helps us to, when we start, to get an easy start. Can promote different companies. We don't only have to promote Power Lead System. And then how to get help. And the idea of this whole thing is, or this whole program is, to get all these little knobbies green. To add your domain, to become an affiliate, to add your picture, of course. And when you go to your diamond level and your platinum levels. When you can become a gold affiliate, it's going to cost you $53 a month. And you will get, not you, I will get, you join, you pay $53 and I get $20 every month residual, as long as you stay part of the team. When you go move up to your diamond level, it costs you $147 once off, and you qualify for unlimited $100 commissions. And then you go to your platinum level, that one. Platinum level will cost you $497, and you will qualify for unlimited $400 commissions. And that really pays out weekly. Do you think a scamming business will do payouts every week? They are about 9 years old already, this company, paying out every week. Do you think they're scammers? Does not sound to me like that. Power Lead System sounds true to me. Power Lead System gives us emails. Look at that. You get your different kind of emails. You can send campaigns. You can add campaigns. All these information that they give you, you can change and adjust and edit and do whatever you want to do. You can, they give you promotions, email campaigns that you send out, but you can always link this up to a Weber and get response. Those are 2 autoresponders, although Power Lead System has got its own autoresponder. Let me go and show you if I can find it. Go to websites. Come on. Right, here we are in the in the websites, where we're can create or make a copy or any of it. There you can see sales funnels that's already created for you. Shall we go and see what one looks like? Here there's many. Power Lead System, use this one. And it's all preset for you, pre-done. And the best is any one of these, you can take them and you can copy them and adjust it according to your company's desires, wishes. You can customize it according to your specific needs. That goes for all the sales pages, that goes for all the capture pages, that goes for all the emails, that goes for absolutely everything. This is a basic all-in-one toolbox for you, a marketing toolbox. So does it sound like a scam to you? Power Lead System 2018 a scam? Doesn't sound to me like that. But let us see any one of these. Here's the one that has been adjusted to Herbalife. Let's see what happens there. Let's go and check. Wonderful. This is what the capture page looked like. Look, all the Herbalife products here at the back. Discover amazing secret to earning a life-changing income, helping others to get healthy. And there's your capture page. And look, when you log in, products you will love. How does that sound? You see, I told you you can change it according to what you want to do. Let's go further. Wonderful. We turned over when we got to the sales page. And here's the whole thing done for you. A whole video. Are you there? Yes, you are. A whole video done for you. You can change the pictures, everything over here. They've got all the video talking about viral cash, and everything can be adjusted. More videos. It tells you about the sales. The one sale is yours. The other next goes to your upline. The fifth sale yours. The first 10. And you get $20 on all the Payline sales. Doesn't that sound fantastic? And they're explaining it so nice that you can see it. Let's just run up. And here they give you an example. Here's the example. Yes, you get paid. 50% matching bonus. I think we'll do that on the next video. That's a brilliant idea. And then how much money you start making, and how it accumulates. You go, when you went through all the whole advert, you go into your 7-day trial, and then you're going to have 7 days to try it all out. See what's going on in the back office, the front office, and all offices. And then I haven't even touched on any of the other options, but we'll do that in the next video. This was just a quick view to see, to think, to decide. Power Lead System 2018, is it a scam or not? Most definitely not. Not in my book. Scammers don't pay you out weekly. You can't get anything from $6 commission up to $1,000 commission. That's not per person. And most of the people has got more than one person in their downline. Don't tell me you're going to get that kind of money per week from a scamming company. Never. Thank you for listening. And we'll continue on this point on the next video. Thank you. And thanks for watching. And at the bottom, hit the like button, please. And subscribe to my channel and support me. Just watch my growth. And I thank you again. Have a lovely day and love you and leave you. Bye.